everybody, good morning. This is Michelle with Creative Operation. I have a project share for you that I absolutely adore. This is a tutorial by Carolina of Carolina's Crafts. I will have a link down below in the description box, but she just recently did this 4x4 mini album that I absolutely adored, and a bunch of us had asked her to please do a tutorial. She did, and I made one. So I thought it was absolutely a gorgeous little album, and I can't wait to share it with you. When I was I didn't know what papers I was going to use. So when I was going through my stash of papers, I did find this journaling pack from Die Cuts with a View that I got. This was dated in 2018. And I do remember buying it when it was brand new, and I have used some of it in other projects, but this ended up being what I decided to use, and I'm really excited about it. So I do have some of these papers left over, but you can see it came with 12 by 12 papers, but then it also came with these great punch outs that you could use, and there was all kinds of different things. And this is, you know, really for journaling. This is for, you know, favorite quotes, shopping lists, travel lists, all kinds of different things. And let's see, we've got important dates. Oops, see, they're falling apart on me. Brain dumps, all kinds of stuff. So you not only have like these longer pieces and then 3x4 pieces, but then back here, like, it also has things like little cut aparts that you can add to your journaling, little bits and pieces, like some dates, things like that. Just a lot of different things in this collection. So I decided that when I was looking for the papers to make this album with, this was what I was going to do. And then what I wanted to do was I ended up deciding that this was going to be a personal 2025, like, things I wanted to accomplish in 2025. So things like, you know, maybe new restaurants I want to go to, places I want to go see, things like that. So that's what this ended up being, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I did grab some mirrored cardstock from my stash and backed the front papers with that. And then this is one of the cut aparts from the collection that I decided to use. It says Feed Your Soul. I thought that was a really perfect title for that type of an album. And I realized January is almost over, but you know what? I still have 11 more months of the year to get these things done. So, you know, it works out. I went through my stash. I had some Prima flowers that I thought matched this collection color palette perfectly. So I put those on the cover, used some seam binding that I had purchased from Country Craft Creations for the closure, and that's what my cover ended up looking like. The album itself is 4x4. It has 4 pages with lots of pockets and flips, a 1-inch spine, really cute. And so when we untie this, I'll show you what I did. So there's, again, lots of flips and flaps. There's magnetic flaps here, and then this cute little ribbon pull right there that you can use to pull your page up. Used one of the cut aparts here that I just backed on some cardstock. I cut it down a little bit to fit the book. And I wanted to put some picture opportunities in here too. So like I left this part plain here, use this little word piece here just to decorate. And then here is the first little pocket. And some of the tags, like I showed you, were really long and obviously would not fit in the book. So I did cut some apart. Like this one came from a movies I want to see. So I just cut the tickets out and I put those in there. And I know that that's what I'm going to do. So as there are movies that come up this year that I really want to see, I'm going to write those down. And you can journal about going to see those or whatever. There's a quote piece, and then this came off of one of the longer pieces, and I did trim it down just to fit, but the bottom part, I can use the bottom parts as well. So I just did that. Now you're probably wondering why I didn't just fold those cards and put them in here. Well, this paper is old and it did crack. I did try. I tried scoring nice score lines and everything, and it did not take scoring at all. It did not take that joke. So I did end up having to cut some things, but that's okay because I can still use the other pieces. So you know me, I don't waste anything. So this page has a belly band. I added one of the little flowers that I kind of fussy cut out of the square just as a decoration. And then I put this little note card, and then this was the bottom of an ideas card that I kept because I like the light bulbs. So there's lots of room left in this album too, which I think is very nice. Here's the middle of it, has 2 pocket pages, and in the pocket pages, movie ticket, the little clipboard here, and then the little card that says Bright Ideas. And, you know, like I said, these are going to be things like I want to do in 2025. And it could be everything from like things I want to do to my house or in my garden, to movies, food that I want to see, or food that I want to see, food that I want to eat, picture opportunities here. These came from the paper collection. They were just little word pieces that I made into pockets. And then this one, restaurants to try. And then this was the bottom of that. So I kept it because it was really cute. And I could journal about like going on a date with my husband, all those kinds of things. So I think this is going to be a really fun thing to do. I like to cook, so recipes to try. And then on the backs of all of these are nice open spaces, so you can really journal about things on the card. So I thought this collection was perfect, and now I want to use the rest of it and do something else with it because I just got really stoked about it. In this one here, another little note card, and then another little movie ticket, and then a little pencil piece that I thought was just really just kind of cute, and I wanted to add that into the pocket. Last page here has a flap that has a pocket underneath, and in this pocket I have this. It says just start, and kind of reminded me of like a little fortune cookie kind of thing, so I wanted to put that in there. There's a bucket list piece and then a wish list piece. So again, trim those down. I do have, you know, another photo opportunity. And then this flap here, it has a magnet. It has the little pull. It is also a pocket. So in here, I loved that journaling card. So make a life you love. So I love that journaling spot on the back. And I just took some ribbon from my stash and stapled it to that. That goes in a little pocket here. And then I created another pocket on the top with one of the other word pieces. And then the little book, and then this little tag. Now this is one of the pieces off of one of the other pieces that I cut off. So I just created a little tag with that, just stapled a little ribbon, and then that tucks in that little pocket here, like so. So that is what I did with Carolina's project, and I just thought it was really adorable, and I just had to share it with you. So go into the description box and go check out her channel and her tutorial. It's really super cute. She has a lot of really super cute ideas on her channel. I just love it. And then go through your stash, because you never know what you're going to find. I totally forgot I had this, and then when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is going to be perfect. So thanks for watching. Stay crafty, and I will be back again soon with other shares. So have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.